Aamir Khan's magnum opus PK has been foiled in controversy ever since the release of its very first poster, and right after the release of the film, the flick has been slammed by various religious groups. However, the Delhi High Court recently dismissed a appeal filed against the movie, saying the film is not offensive. The PK controversy shocked the entire industry, but the film's fraternity stood by the PK team, pledging support to the film. Good friend Salman Khan went on to Twitter to openly show his support to PK. After Salman, Shah Rukh Khan too backed the Aamir starrer. Although SRK did not directly praise the movie PK, he rather asserted that once a film gets cleared by the censor board, it should not be questioned. Some organizations and individuals filed petitions at court to ban the screening of Aamir Khan's PK, alleging that it has hurt religious sentiments of Hindus. However, the court dismissed all the plea, and the movie has already crossed about 300 crores box office collection in the domestic market alone.